Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve trading bots with Salesforce, full guide step by step clearly. To improve trading bots using Salesforce, begin by identifying your trading strategy. Define objectives that your trading bot aims to achieve. Next, gather relevant data from your existing trading activities. Integrate Salesforce to centralize your data collection. Utilize Salesforce's robust analytics tools to analyze historical trading performance. Create custom dashboards to visualize trading metrics and trends. Develop an efficient data flow between Salesforce and your trading platform. Enhance your trading algorithms by incorporating insights derived from your data analysis. Configure Salesforce's automation features to optimize trading decisions. Use Salesforce's AI capabilities to predict market trends and adjust your strategies accordingly. Regularly update your trading bot's parameters based on performance metrics captured in Salesforce. Conduct A/B testing to evaluate the effectiveness of new trading strategies. Monitor the performance of your trading bots consistently. Adjust strategies in real time based on market conditions and analytics from Salesforce. Implement feedback loops based on outcomes to continually refine your trading approach. Document all changes made to ensure transparency and track improvements over time. By following these steps, you will develop a robust framework for enhancing trading bots with Salesforce. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.